Hello everyone, Jacketing here. It's hard to imagine that less than 2 years ago I was this dummy Chinese kid with a stock S2000 that was, in all honesty, pretty slow. What is incredible to me is that in less than 2 years, we've managed to get it around the same track over 10 seconds quicker. It's not like we piled on a ton of power either. Even though the car now has a tune, it still is an A. So where did this 10 seconds come from exactly? Let's take a look.